Tameka by nature. If you are new here, my name is Tameka. I am an entrepreneur. I am the CEO of Bomb Luxury, okay, right here, which is basically an online boutique, okay? And what I would do want to know is, for those of y'all who are already old subscribers, okay, old family members, how are y'all doing, all right? I'm extremely excited today. And the reason why I'm extremely excited is y'all already know I am rebranding. Okay, so Bomb Luxury, that's the name of the company, which is mine. As you can hear by the word luxury, where I'm going for more of a luxury aesthetic. And how I had my logo before, it was more of a fun kind of aesthetic, if you understand what I mean. It was fun, and the clothes, absolute luxury. I make sure my clothes is 100% good quality. I'm not going to send you something that's not, okay? I make sure I feel it, it's durable, it's washable, all that other kind of stuff. So I just want to make sure that it more defines me, okay? We going through different phases in our life. I like to consider myself, I should say, of a butterfly. Butterfly have different stages, and that's more of who I am. I have different layers, different stages of myself, and with each stage, I like to change as I'm changing, because we are here to change, and what's what I'm looking for? Level up. We're here to level up in life. That's what I believe, and my business has to change along with me. Not only that, I feel like it's always good to bring new stuff to your business, new fun things. So I'm extremely excited and happy to present y'all with my new logo. Now, what I wanted to say really quick was, you will find some videos on my channel that says Life of an Entrepreneur Life. You'll see some of those videos, but now I want to start a brand new series, and it's kind of the same thing, basically the same kind of concept, but I do not want to use that same title. So this series is going to be called Manifest Your Life, because I'm big into manifestation, and that's what I believe. I'm manifesting the life I want, and I want y'all to definitely come with me, come on that journey and ride with me, okay? So also, I do my own business cards and thank you cards. I'm going to show you during the video how I go about doing it. So first, let's start off with my old thank you cards, okay? Hold on. Okay, see, this is my old logo, Bomb Luxury. I still have a lot of these cards left, but I definitely wanted something more sleek appeal, and this is, when I first got this, I liked it, but I wasn't in love with it. Definitely when you're doing a logo, you want to feel in love with it, okay? But I was definitely okay with it. I said, all right, let me see how it goes. I like the logo and everything. It was cool because I definitely wanted a diamond concept. I did want that. I wanted to keep that, but this, like I said, was more of a fun kind of thing. And so now, my new and improved logo, let me get this ready, is, bam, this is my new one. Sleek, sweet, and to the point. That's how I like it. So let me put them side by side. As you can see the difference in see, this one gives you more of a fun kind of go girl, you know what I mean? Not to say this is not fun, but this is more of a sleek kind of look. This is what I wanted to get. This is a sleek look, Bomb Luxury. It took me a little while to think of the idea, so I definitely drew it out. I went to the design team, and this is what they gave me, and I had to draw it out first, but this is it. So this is my logo, and I'm extremely happy with it. My colors have changed. It is actually brown and white. That's my colors from now on. I liked it a lot. It's less going on. This one I had about 4 or 5 different colors, and this is the new logo, the new and improved. Hello. Okay, so let's go ahead and, oh, I did want to say, these cards right here, my old ones, I got them from Vistaprint. You can definitely go there and get yours done at Vistaprint if you want. If not, what I decided to do was take a different approach and get my new business cards. I did it myself, so I'm going to show you now how I went about doing my business cards and my thank you cards. Let's jump to it. Okay, so these are the Avery basically templates that you're going to use at home to do your own business cards. I got the glossy white business cards with the clean edge. You can get these at Staples, Amazon. No, those 2 places you could go to, and I'm pretty sure there's other places as well. Maybe even Walmart. You could get some Avery labels and go on Avery.com and buy it from them as well. But I got this pack right here from Staples, and these, like I said, are the ones that I got from Vistaprint. This is the one right here that I actually made with their label. Okay, but this side is the matte side, And now I'm going to flip it because I think I want this side to be the glossy side and then the other side to be more of the matte side. So that's what I'm going to end up doing. But you get 10 business cards on one sheet of paper, which is not bad. And it is the ones where you can print both sides of the business card. Okay, and this is the number 8859. See, glossy photo, quality finish. Now we're going to move on over to the thank you cards. This is the old one that I actually went to Staples and I let them cut it up and I said cut it up. I let them go print it out and put it on the thank you card for me. Now I also got these one right here. When I went to go to Staples and get it, I didn't see the photo card for it, so I end up getting the postcards, I should say, for it. I end up going to Amazon and getting this one. So this is the 8386 one. See, meets U.S. regulations, postal regulations. You get 2 cards per sheet. See, print to the edge, matte white. So this is a 4x6 ones, 100 cards for 50 sheets, on 50 sheets, matte white. So these are the ones that I got. This is what I basically printed out with it. The back, see my logo right here. And this is a thank you. So I made the thank you card myself. I put my logo on the back and I made the thank you card myself. I actually like this. This one right here, at the time, I actually got it made for me. I, told the person how I wanted it and this is how they made it. But I actually like this one, like I said, because I'm going more of a sleek kind of look. So I'm okay with that. So now I'm going to show you how you can do it and print them out on your computer at home. If you already have your design, it'll be it's much easier. So I go to Canva. So let's just I go to Canva. Right, I'm going to go pull up. I'm going to show you in a minute all my designs. Alright, so some of these, as you can see, I didn't even really name them. But this is my design really quick. For the purpose of this, I just did the design and I downloaded it. They have one, let me go to it. Templates. You see, we can go to templates, right? They come up with whatever you need. Business card. So you're going to put in business card. And then they give you a whole bunch of different business cards. Let me just open this up. They give you a lot of different business cards. You can go down. If you don't have one like a design yet, you can use these design concepts and you can just download it and put in your information, right? So I already have one, like right here, create a blank business card. It says it right here. This is the one I use, but let's say we're going to use this one. You see? And then you're going to use this template. Then it comes up and then you can just basically delete, do whatever you need to do, put in your name and all that. But since I already did that, I'm going to take you straight on over to Avery, where you're going to upload it and everything. Whether you're buying the Avery postcards or the business cards, they have this information in here that tells you exactly on what to do about printing out your pictures onto the template. So you're going to go to avery.com/print. Now design using the template number. So let's say right here for the postcards, we have this one, 8386. This is what you're going to put in. So I'm going to do that right now. See, avery.com/print. I put it in. And right here they have the Avery templates. Sorry. Let me come out of this so you can see. Okay, right here they have the Avery templates. So you're going to enter the number. So we're going to do the business cards first. So just get that number. The number for the business card is 8859. We're going to go to start designing. They give you options right there down at the bottom. And then you're going to look for the one that you have. I have the clean edge 2.5, 2 by 3.5, right? So that's what I'm going to look for here now. See, this says print business cards one side only, but I don't want the one right here. This is one I have for 2 business cards, 2 sides. So I'm going to select this template, the one at the top. And then you're going to take you to the screen. You're going to put blank template. Right here it says edit all, edit one. See how does this work? Now, since I already downloaded all my prints from, I was going to say from Instagram. Since I already downloaded all my stuff from Canva and it's already on my computer, I'm just going to go to image. And then I'm going to go to add image. Browse for file. I'm going to select the file. Front of the business card, I just wanted to show my logo. So the front should come out glossy. And now I'm going to go ahead and you're going to put this over here that says back of the sheet. And then you're going to upload, do the same thing again for the back of the sheet. And they have these little things right here to tell you like the safety lines to not go over it. So let me just show you. See, it says safety area. So it's just basically like, make sure you have it centered. So that way when it prints, it doesn't like come out on the side and it looks messed up or whatever. So that's what it's for. So you just want to make sure it's in between all of the lines nice and carefully. And the great part about it is after that, you could go right here where it says preview and print. You, see, look at this. Please preview your project for the following. Warning, keep important images such as business logo inside the safety area or extended background to the outer border to print to edge. See? When you're ready, you're going to go ahead, like I said before, that warning popped up. And then you're going to go to print preview. And then it kind of goes small, so you kind of want to zoom in. So that's what I do to get a good look at it. And they give you the 360 rotation. And then we can see that there's no white lines or anything on it. And this is fine to me. And then it's going to say right here, you have options, either print it yourself or let us print it for you. But I'm going to print it out myself because I already have the templates, the papers. So this is print right here. Let me go over here. See, print front and back of the sheet, or print the back of the sheet, print both. And then I'm going to go here, get PDF. Then I'm going to tell you to save your work. I'm going to change this and put business card. I'll just put B for now. Okay. Download PDF. There it goes. This is how it will look. This is how the back is going to look. That's all that's it. And then you're just going to put the template inside your computer, the paper, and then I'm going to come back and show you. I definitely want to just say, you gotta make sure that you believe in your brand. You gotta believe in it. And I say this because, sometimes I know some people go through it wondering like, oh, is this good? Is that good? Not confident, but like doubting themselves, having a lot of self-doubt. But when you become an entrepreneur, or I should say with anything in life, anything you want to do or you want to be, you gotta make sure you gotta try your best to eliminate self-doubt. And that ain't easy. I can tell you that. It isn't easy. But that's something you definitely have to do. Okay, you have to believe in your brand, because ain't nobody else will if you don't believe in it. You got to be comfortable with whatever you're doing. If you don't feel comfortable, then you do things. So I shouldn't say comfortable, because you know what? Scratch that. Because Because when you're feeling comfortable, people don't, when you're feeling too comfortable, that means you ain't changing. You don't want to come out of your comfort zone. It's like, be you, And when I say be you, people are like, oh, I am being me. No, be you. And be whoever you are. Be whoever you want to be, not who you were taught to be. Be who you're supposed to be. And I say that, some people may understand. We live in a world where too often where we are told who we need to be or who we should be, or basically they try to categorize all of us to fit in that particular box, when it's not a one-size-shoe-fit-all approach to life. It just isn't. That's not how it's supposed to be. So I just want to say I don't know, this was just on my heart to say it. Be you, not who you were taught to be. Be who you're supposed to be. Okay? I just want to make sure I say that. Yeah. Yeah. I felt like I wanted to, doing a series, I wanted to make sure y'all saw more of me, because a lot of my videos are more of sit-down videos. I sit down, I tell you this, say things that might help you on your entrepreneurship journey, or if I'm doing hauls, because I love doing hauls, I really do, But I felt like with the Manifest Me series, it's going to be more of y'all really seeing who I am, and I feel like I need to do that, because going down my channel, like some of y'all know me, get an idea for the person I am, but I feel like I want to be a little bit more personal. I wanted to show more of myself. Little part. Yeah, there we go. I wanted to show more of myself on camera. Show my business side, of course, my fun side, my silly side, all kinds of sides of me, and just showing you, I'm human. And not only that, I did want to say that going down YouTube, it's kind of, not that I say it's not out there, but going down YouTube and looking up entrepreneurship or looking up stuff like that, a lot of times I come across in my feed, or just in search engine, I come across, and there's nothing wrong with that. Kudos to all the young women out there going ahead and doing their entrepreneurship and being on their journey. But I didn't find a lot of older women to say older, and when I say older, just older women. Like, I'm not in my 20s, I'm well in my 30s. And, I'm a mother, I'm married, and I didn't see much of women, I should say, and it probably I just didn't see it, much of women on YouTube that are married, have children, that are older in age, and have like a entrepreneurship, have a business, and they're on their journey, and they're like vlogging it, or they're showing it on YouTube. And I was like, I wanted to see some of that kind of stuff. So I figured, since I didn't see any of that on YouTube, well, I haven't seen it, that I figured I would bring it to YouTube, because maybe there's other women who was thinking like me, like, wow, I didn't really see that. And, to let you know, we here, I'm here, okay. I'm up, I'm doing the same thing. I'm out there, trying to run my business, not trying, but running my business, have a family, have a life, have all of that, So I just want to let you know we here. Also, make sure y'all shop Bomb Luxury. You see this? I love this. Diamonds Eye bracelet, Simplicity bracelet. Both of them together. Okay, Shop Bomb Luxury. We got new things in store as always. So I hope you guys like this vlog, and I will see y'all next time on To Makeup by Nature. Peace.